DSAM, I love this. If you do for an LLC to not get Cali, do you have to pay for 2 LLCs, one in that state you invest and one in San Diego?
Do you have to pay? No. You do not have to have an LLC in California at all.
No.
It's just your foreign entity. Oh, I think what you're asking is, do you need to register in California as a foreign entity?
Yeah, I think that's what she's asking too.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Maybe you gotta talk to your CPA about that. I can always give you our CPA. We've somehow managed to work around that for some of our companies. But that's a good point. But you wouldn't, no matter what, you wouldn't have 2 LLCs.
Yeah.
You would have a foreign LLC, and if you had to register in California as a foreign entity, then you'd probably end up paying the $800 minimum. When I think about it, but you don't need to set up 2 LLCs. I don't recommend that.
Correct. If you need to, just ask your CPA.
If you're interested in learning more about real estate investing or investing in passive income, multifamily, or apartments, feel free to join our free private Facebook group. If you know that you want help, you want someone to hold your hand, and you want to be part of a mastermind and have coaching, all that you need to do is text the word freedom to 619-373-8461. So if you just want to see what is that about and how can I speed up my results and do it more safely, I'd be happy to chat with you about what your options are and see what we can do to help you along your journey.